pouring. We come up for a ride, guys, and look at the water. Okay, guys, I'm home now. I forgot to make an ending. I would have had more video, so I'm just making this a short. I was out around town, still pouring rain, and my car screen started to warn me that one of my tires was really low, and it was getting lower by the minute, so I booted home as fast as I could to get my tire blowed up. Luckily, there was no puncture, but I don't know if I hit like a bump and it made it go low. But anyway, it's all fixed now. So I'm soon going to have another video for you guys. It's going to be a lot longer. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I'll see you guys soon.